Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I have some original 1960 Volkswagen interior, and I'm going to show you what it looks like so you guys will know what the original 1960 stuff. This is came straight off. We verified everything, made sure it was original, and some of these parts are. This is from two different 1960 cars. So something that I didn't even know is, and you guys that are building one, trying to make it all original, um, in on the 1960, I don't know, maybe 59 and 60, I think one of those years had cloth, and I don't know when it started, ended. Maybe it was 58 that had cloth interior. But when they started the original first runs of vinyl, you notice the seat did not have any pleats in it. So a lot of the reproduction stuff has pleats in it for the early cars that actually wouldn't be correct. So this, I believe, was off of. We were trying to figure out the color. I think it was one of those pastel blue colors. It was not pastel blue. It was I think it was called Bahama blue or something like that. One of the blue colors that came in the early cars in 1960. So if you look here, this is actually was kind of a blue color, but it's faded out. So it didn't have pleats. That was one of the things I wanted to show you guys. That was cool, original parts. So then the carpet. The carpet actually has a middle piece like this that went on it. We're going to be using some of these parts. So the carpet had a middle piece like this, and the left side, driver's side, as you see here is the vent and everything, was actually sewn together right here, and then this side was just pieced together. So the side with the ramp would have been pieced together on your car if you have one of those. Another weird thing, original 1960, I don't know if it was 60 and 61, 60, 59 and 60, I'm not sure, but probably pertains to a few of those years. And this is the first runs of vinyl seats for the car. The sides of the seat, real quick, I was going to show you this too. The sides of the seat were some sort of like a heavy cotton burlap cloth on the sides, which is kind of neat. And so the tops were the light color, the sides were the darker color on this particular car. And this cardboard, and I've seen this on my 66 13 window bus, has the same type of a cardboard in the very back. And it still have the original pieces. It had a leather press. It looked like it was like pressed leather, and then it was colored or painted to match the vinyl. So the backs of the seat, this is the back seat, has had this cardboard on it that was sewn. If you look here, it was sewn into it, and the cardboard piece was actually colored to match whatever the seat color was. If you see there, see? And so this is you can see this is a seat back for the very back seat. And again, no pleats. In the front seats for this, we had the original front seat covers, where actually they were, and these aren't, we don't have the rest of the car. All we have is just these seats. So unfortunately, the rest of the car didn't make it. The seats we have, and we're going to use them in our 60 ragtop. They have, but it's the wrong color for that, so that's why I've got to redo them. I couldn't use the original seats and maybe leave them patina, but I'm going to probably try and sell these in a Samba or something to somebody who's trying to make an original. So here's the front seats. Again, there's no pleats in them. The sides were done. These were definitely original seat covers. And there was no pleats on these either. So you're building an original car, trying to make it as original as you can, you might want to check this out. You're probably not going to find this colored fabric anywhere. You'd have to, I don't know, you can't even paint, can't even match paint to match this unless you have a custom made vinyl spray somewhere, and not in California. You're not going to find that stuff. You can find it back east maybe, but not here. But anyway, thought I'd share that with you guys, show you guys what the original seat upholstery was like on a 1960. It might have been 61, 60 or 59, 60, 61. I mean, I'm sure it was a couple of years in there. Alright, talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.